God, in our success, your voice is heard. To our classmates, thanks Sonia, we build memories year by year. Though paths may pass, their love will stay. In our hearts, you never fade away. To the administration, who steered the way, ensuring we have the best every day. Your planning, your vision, and talents have built for us a future so bright. So here we stand, both proud and shy, waving our goodbyes, not with a cry. For every ending, let us see, the start you're meant to be. The night is ready, the future is bright.